So today I am at Jericho Market. Actually, it's behind Jericho Market where coffins are being made. I've been told amazing stories about this place, how coffins for very famous people have been carved here. And I've got someone that I can talk to. It's really raining, but guys are here busy. From here till the end of this street is actually coffins that are being made in uh, different ways. It's such a process and it's a lot of teamwork. There is where they cut the wood, there is where they measure, there's where they do the finishing, and then the dressing of the coffins, as you will get to see more of that in this video. um, but let's start with my person here.
Yeah.
Your name, Collins, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Collins Nyongesa.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get a place where the light is not too much.
Yeah.
Come this way. Come this way.
Yeah.
Hapo ni sawa kabisa.
Thank you.
Hapo ni sawa.
Yeah.
Okay. So tuambie majina kamili na unatoka wapi?
I'm Collins Nyongesa.
Yes.
I'm from Busia. Beauty La Pale. For those who knows me. Yeah.
Okay.
So mimi hapa ni nafanya what we call finishing, because this kind of coffin process is a long process.
Yeah.
Inapitia to more than 4 people.
Yeah.
Kuna ule primary mwenye anaitengeneza, measurement inaenda kwa machine. So for me I do what we call finishing.
Yes.
Yeah. So
okay.
For now, because it's so raining, coffin is on high peak, it's on sale. And for us, some people
they do have seasons, eh?
Yeah,
kuna wakati more coffins are being bought from you.
Yeah, because like now we are experiencing hunger, kuna njaa na pia
magonjwa pia yanakuwa mob,
yameshuka mostly after kushakuwa na long sunny. Mvua ikianza kunyesha, people experience different diseases, and these kind of diseases make them die.
Saizi hata accidents unajua ni mingi sana, because they can't see well and all that. They can all right. Okay. We had to let somebody pass there. It's okay. So thank you, because you're actually going to take us through the process of what is actually done to the very end. But I also want you to tell me something. I've been told that some of the famous people have actually had their coffins made here or designed here.
Yeah.
Could you tell me about that?
Yeah, for us we design coffins, and I think we have different people who design. It's not everyone who design coffins. Okay. And we find that when coffin comes to the market, it's too expensive, because I confirmed the first coffin that is called Fidel, it was designed here by Mzee Fanuel. Yeah, it was designed here by Mzee Fanuel. And by the time it was designed, maybe the sale it was high, but now the sale is a bit low, because it is not in the market is now. Or
when it's being done for the first time, when the branding is being done, it's very expensive. Then later on,
the price too low.
Okay. So for those who want to buy coffins, they go from how much to how much? What's the range?
Okay, for us here we have coffins. It depends, Yeah. For us, coffin, we don't have a fixed price of coffin.
Okay, na depend na the person who has come and how much they have.
How much they want to design the coffin.
Okay, so just a common one, common one too. Inaweza na kama 14, 15.
Depending on the type, we have a coffin that you can buy from 15,000 to, because we have the one that we call simple that runs to 9,000. We have that one that runs to 15,000.
Yes.
So the most.
Na nimeona mpaka ya 100 and something.
120,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Asante sana.
Okay.
Now we will be going through the process just for people to understand what is actually done, and then we get to see the final product. Thank you so much. And if someone wants to get to you so that they can get to make their coffin, could you give them your number?
Okay, my number is the most number that I have is 0756 33 58. No, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, 07 56 33 66 58. That's
All
my
right.
Airtel number, my Safaricom number.
Wewe ya Safaricom ndio muhimu.
Okay.
Okay, anyway,
You know,
zote ile ambayo inaweza leta pesa. Bora tu mtu anaweza weka pesa hapo.
Airtel ndio nilifungwa nayo WhatsApp.
Okay. Sawa.
My Safaricom number is 0793 62 82 74.
All right.
Yeah.
Nyongeza, asante.
It's okay.
Okay. Now let's get to see the process.
It's okay.